How to fix class not registered error on Windows. 1. Re-register the Windows DLL files. Run for /rc:\% in star.dll, do %system root %system 32x for 32.exe /s%g regs for 32 explorer frame.dll command as admin. 2. Re-register the Windows. Store apps. Run getapps package for each apps package. Disable development mode. Register $__install location \appx manifest.xml command in PowerShell as admin. 3. Reset default apps. 4. Restart Windows Explorer. 5. Repair or update the Microsoft Visual C++ programs. 6. Repair corrupt system files with DISM and SFC. Commands include DISM/online/cleanup image/scan health DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health SFC/scan 07. Check the status of your hard drive and replace it if possible. Command includes omit disk drive get status 8. Perform a system restore.